So yeah, hello guys, I'm about to show you another tutorial on how to cross over in basketball. So again, sorry for the vehicles guys, kind of bit of loud, sorry for that. So this trick is very simple, can succeed it, even beginners can do it like me. Um, and um, this usually done in street ball, basketball, NBA, like that. So gonna show you how to do it. So basically this trick is very simple, like this. So you have the ball. So just dribble it, and when I'm going to drive through, pretend that you're going to the right way, like this. Right way, pretend that you're going to that. Then pass it to your left hand. Then go to the left way. So this trick is very simple and done in every dudes or every girls. So I'm gonna show you first. That. So when I like to practice it, I'm gonna practice it with a big chair, not that kind of big. Just place it there. So you go pretend pass to the left. So this trick is very high succeeded. You can do many tricks in this. Like this. Pass it through my head. Pretend. Pass it. I'm gonna pass it like that. So, something like that. Or I can just pass it to it. Like that. So, very easy. Just practice it until you succeed. Uncle Burger. So, thank you for watching guys. Hope you like the video and hope it works for you. Subscribe.